A buyer asks for 850 CFM. The drawing says cubic meters per hour, and the test report uses liters per second. These can describe the same volume flow, but one misplaced factor of 60 can turn a valid fan inquiry into the wrong selection. Use 1 cubic meter per second as the neutral hub. It is a physical volume flow. 1 cubic meter crosses the measurement plane every second. From this hub, the metric branches are exact and easy to audit. There are 3,600 seconds in 1 hour, so 1 cubic meter per second equals 3,600 cubic meters per hour. 1 cubic meter contains 1,000 liters, so the same flow also equals 1,000 liters per second. That gives the clean relationship: 1 liter per second equals 3.6 cubic meters per hour. For CFM, the international foot is exactly 0.3048 meter. Cube that length, then change minutes to seconds. The result is 1 CFM equals 1.6990108 cubic meters per hour, or 0.47194474 liters per second. For everyday engineering, 1.699 and 0.472 are usually practical working factors. Here is the complete map. CFM to cubic meters per hour, multiply by 1.699. CFM to liters per second, multiply by 0.472. Liters per second to CFM, multiply by 2.119. Cubic meters per hour to CFM, multiply by 0.5886. And between liters per second and cubic meters per hour, use 3.6. Convert 850 CFM for an international inquiry. Multiply by 1.699 to get approximately 1,444 cubic meters per hour. Multiply by 0.472 to get approximately 401 liters per second. Keep the source value beside the converted values, 850 CFM, about 1,444 cubic meters per hour, about 401 liters per second. Now start with 5,000 cubic meters per hour. Multiply by 0.5886 and you get approximately 2,943 CFM. Divide by 3.6 and you get approximately 1,389 liters per second. Reverse the calculation once as a check. 2,943 CFM multiplied by 1.699 returns approximately 5,000 cubic meters per hour. Do not divide by 60 twice. Do not confuse cubic meters per second with cubic meters per hour. Do not convert airflow and forget that pressure may also need conversion. And do not round every intermediate step, carry extra digits, then round the final published value to the precision the source measurement supports. CFM, cubic meters per hour and liters per second are only volume flow units. A unit conversion does not correct air density or test conditions. If a document says standard CFM, actual CFM, or names a reference temperature and pressure, reconcile those conditions before comparing values. The safest anchor is this: 1 cubic meter per second equals 3,600 cubic meters per hour, 1,000 liters per second and about 2,119 CFM. For a fan review, send the source airflow unit, required pressure, air conditions and operating point.